Grand Canyon, nature's big, beautiful hole. The Grand Canyon is a huge, amazing hole in Arizona, USA. Here are some cool things about it. Super big. The Grand Canyon is one of the biggest canyons ever. It's super long, wide, and deep, like a giant bowl carved by a river. How it's made. The Colorado River made the Grand Canyon over millions of years. It cut through rocks to make tall cliffs and colorful layers that show how old the Earth is. Awesome views! When you look at the Grand Canyon, you see lots of cool stuff. There are tall cliffs, deep canyons, and pretty colors everywhere. You can watch the sunrise, sunset, and stars at night, and they look amazing! Important place. The Grand Canyon is special to Native American tribes. They've lived there for a long time and think it's sacred, like a very special place. The Grand Canyon is a big, beautiful place that shows how amazing nature is. It's like a big adventure waiting for you to explore.